What's up, YouTubers? Johnny DIY here. Today we are going to be cleaning our car's auto upholstery. If you guys are new to this channel, do me a favor, click the subscribe and the bell so you can get all my new videos. Alright guys, let's get to it. Alright, so maybe you've got some stains like this I've got on the seats or your center console or even your door panels and armrests. So all we are going to need is, I like to use this Folex carpet spot remover. Look at all the stuff it does. It does pet accidents, grease, ink, wine, coffee, blood, rust, food, all kinds of stuff. And a clean, dry towel and a little scrub brush. So we're going to come over to the stains and we're just going to shake this up. As always, you want to test this before on a little spot, like maybe underneath the seat or something, to make sure it doesn't stain it or anything. We're just going to spray it all over the stained areas. Nice and generous. Really get it saturated. Take our scrub brush. Really scrub those areas. Then after we scrubbed it, we're going to take our clean towel and we're going to blot it. You're just going to push down and soak up all that dirt and grime and the rest of the fluid. You're going to wipe it a little too if you need to scrub it a little more. But you're just going to want to soak it all up. Now we're going to let this dry and come back to it. Let's do these armrests on the door. Get it really wet. Careful about your electric windows. Give it a nice scrubbing. All that grease from people's arms. Blot it down. So you can see all that brown dirt coming off on this white towel. Let's do the center console too. Scrub it down real good. Then we'll blot it and wipe it down with the towel. Get as much of that liquid off. We can remove a lot of the dirt too. This one should pick up a lot of dirt. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at all that dirt that came out. Alright, then after you're done scrubbing and cleaning, it's a good idea to roll down all your windows and move your car into the sun. It'll really help dry out all that upholstery. And now you may need to come back to the upholstery and do a second cleaning after it dries. There may be a couple spots you need to do a little harder or over again. Alright guys, now it's all dried. And as you can see, it got out all those stains in the seat. Alright guys, and that's it. That's how to clean your seats. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching Johnny DIY, guys. Keep on doing it yourself. Take care.